Alright folks, we back here in the kitchen. Hadn't seen y'all in a few days. Been busy. Everybody asked me what I do the month of July. I'm fixing to show you. Alright, we plant a big old garden. We have all kinds of vegetables. Corn, okra, squash, green beans. We put up 40 quarts of green beans this year. We picked about 250 ears of corn. And I've got about, I don't know, 10 or 15 ears of corn here that it's gonna finish me up for this year. We picked 250 ears and the coons got about 250 ears, so I'd call that a success. We got peas we're working on. Maybe I'll try to show y'all some peas one day. I don't know. I'm so busy doing this. I don't have a lot of time to make the videos, but what we done is we went out and we got, like I said, 10 or 15 ears. I went and picked 4 ears for supper. We had corn for supper, and I went ahead and picked I think it's 5-gallon bucket, 2 5-gallon buckets full. And we're gonna blanch it and freeze it. We're gonna leave it on the cob. So what I've got here is I've got water boiling pretty good. I'm gonna turn it up on high. I got a big stock pot. I got it boiling up here pretty good. All right, so we got the water boiling, and all I'm gonna do is I've got a timer set for 3 minutes. I'm gonna time it. Once I get all the ears in there, I'm gonna hit this timer for 3 minutes. When it goes off, we're gonna cool it down real quick. We're gonna run us a sink full of cold water, put some ice in there, cool it off, and then I'm gonna bag it up into gallon bags and put it in the freezer. Now you can cream it or cut it off the cob and do it that way. We like it on the cob, so we'll just leave it on the cob. Less work for me. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna stick the corn in this hot boiling water. Y'all see that steam coming off there. It's hot. Let's count and see how many we got. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 ears. All right, I'm gonna put the lid back on. That's hot boiling water. 3 minutes. All right, so you look, I got my sink, got a little ice. We got the corn. We're gonna put the corn in. All right, so we've got our corn, our ears of corn. They're cooling off down in this cold water and ice. Y'all see that? It's a good looking ear of corn right there. Yes, sir. All right, so we're gonna just a couple of minutes right here, and then we'll put them in a gallon bag. We'll show you that in a minute. All right, folks. We're gonna put 10 ears of corn per bag. Y'all see that gallon bag? He's gonna work on that. It'll be about 2 layers deep. 5 on the bottom, 5 on the top. We'll have 2 bags here. Be 2 shy of 20. We got 18 this time, so that's basically the gist of it. And then you bring it on in here to the freezer.